We're also keen to partner with the industry to collaboratively work together so that we can impart our technical knowledge into the production lines up and down the UK to help the UK expedite its defence manufacturing challenges. Once again, defence is at the centre of attention for the UK government owing to ongoing geopolitical situations. The UK government plans to invest significant amounts of money into UK defence over the coming decades to help us address this challenge. The government, via the Defence Industrial Strategy, has advised that the defence industry can also be used as a driver for economic prosperity in the UK through the creation of new jobs, technology innovation and resilient capabilities. KUKA Systems UK have a heritage of 50 years here in the UK, and we are a trusted and resilient supply chain partner. And we are hoping to showcase our friction welding capabilities to the defence industry to help them to optimise their productions and address their defence challenges. Friction welding is a fantastic process for joining dissimilar material combinations and materials that are typically challenging to join via traditional methods. By considering friction welding innovation, defence organisations can produce complex components that they couldn't before to fulfil the demands of their complex programmes. KUKA Systems can offer subcontracting processes to the defence industry, from making a range of ship components, aerospace components, through our rotary, linear and stir welding processes. There are many reasons why the defence industry should embrace friction welding over traditional methods. For example, we have a highly repeatable welding process. We don't melt the material, so we have improved mechanical properties and less defect rates. Through processes like friction stir welding, we can weld several meters per minute. And in general, the energy usage for these manufacturing processes are far lower than traditional arc-based processes. We've applied our skill sets to a diverse range of industry sectors, from oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, renewable energy. And we're keen to take that understanding and our skill sets and support the defence industry with the wide range of challenges they have. And we're very confident we can do that. For those of you who are interested in advanced welding solutions or looking to tackle complex joining challenges, please contact me via the details shown on this screen, and let's have a conversation to see how I can help you.